guys? This is the start of me starting to make videos. This is the car. It used to be twin turboed. Now it is the LS9. Not an LS9, it's an L99. It's a good bit different right there. So we're going to look under the hood real quick. So this used to be the twin turbo car. It had made 1,016 wheel horsepower back before I broke 2 blocks and decided to not spend so much money trying to keep it running. So I decided to use the L99 from a 2010 Camaro with the 6L80, and these are the headers that I've been working on since, which is another reason why I didn't continue with the turbo setup. And it will be back with a 5.3 and a turbo again, but for now I'm going to keep it with this as I make some more products that I've been working on. And it has definitely been a lot of fun. So this is the R3 bumper, and then that's the front lip that I've been working on. I'm just prototyping, playing around, seeing what I can do with it, and now I'm going to show you the inside and crank it up. And maybe you can hear the exhaust. Let's see. Well, everything's backwards because this phone's mirrored, but might be able to hear it. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm wanting to start making some. It's a little different. This isn't really my personality type, but I'm going to try and change that to where y'all can start seeing some content from the stuff that we do. I mean, I do all kinds of stuff. We have this car, and I have an auto repair shop, which is what this is. This is the kind of what funded the car when I first started. So, and then this right here is a Grand Sport that I have right now. It has a motor ticking, so I got to fix that, but I haven't driven it in a while. This car is much better, or maybe not better, but I enjoy driving it a lot more. So this one got running. I could have put the same motor that I put in this car in that Grand Sport, but I just prefer the RX-8. It's just different having a custom car, and I prefer having a custom car that I built than one that I just pieced together that is really a factory car. But like I said, I just wanted to show y'all, make a little video of the car and show, like, this door. This, you see, it's silver versus instead of white like it should have been, and I'm gonna give you a quick story on what happened there. So this one you can see is white. So what happened is one day when it was twin turboed, we were driving along, me and my nephew, and I remember we were going to get E85 because the car was low on fuel, and we were planning to go racing that night. So we went out and we were on drag radials, and we stopped at a stoplight, and when it turned green, it was a 2-lane turn, and we were on the outside, and we went to turn, and we just went straight and ran straight into us, and we were on radials, and it was raining, so couldn't really do anything and they took off, so I ended up placing it with a door that I already had. So, and then this is something I really like. So I had my buddy actually wrap this in carbon fiber. I don't know if you can really see, but it looks way better with carbon fiber than it did with the regular black. And then also this section right here for the shifter, all of this wrapped in carbon fiber, that I felt like look a whole lot better than the silver and the flat black that they had before. But so some of the things that I did keep with this car though is, so I still have the shifter. I haven't, the shifter works how I like it, but it's, I mean, the best you can do without making major modifications to it. So right now you go one click back, that's reverse, pull it back one click, that's neutral, one more, that's drive, and then when you pull it back another, now it's in manual mode, and I have it to where the left paddle shifter is downshift and the right paddle shift is upshift. And then on top of that, so I had my tuner make it to where whenever, rather than having to hit the paddle shifter, because the 6L80s do have a delayed response because it's not a dual clutch. So instead of me having to hit the paddle every time to upshift, it was tuned for my twin turbo car that made a lot more power, but it'll automatically upshift when you get before the rev limiter. So that is one really neat thing that made it a lot easier to roll race with it and stuff like that, and I didn't always have to worry about upshifting the transmission, because that's just one more thing to have to do when you're trying to race somebody. And well, like I said, the transmission's so laggy that you would never hit the shifts when it needed to happen anyway. So, but that's it for today. I just wanted to make a quick video on that, and I will see y'all next time.